it's my birthday, and I'll give him a special treat just coming to in my hotel rooms.
So hold on, just one quick moment. Okay,
Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. Take care. All right. All right.
He said you hope to get lucky.
He's about to try the drink.
What?
Never mind, he's faking. I think that's just orange juice.
This is some sparkling something. Some Italian sparkling drinks.
Why would you shake it if it's sparkling? That okay. What? That made no sense. Wait. I have to talk to my vlog. Hello, you guys. Oh no, you still can't see me. Hello, you guys. So, I just wanted to tell you what this vlog is gonna be about. The only place I could find. Wait. It's like so low. Hold on. There we go. Hey guys, it's Mallory and welcome back to my channel. So, right now we're in Anaheim. We're like really close to Disneyland. Today's my dad's birthday. Today's my dad's birthday, so today we are going to probably go eat. We're in our hotel right now. Dad, you want to come say hi?
Yeah.
The vlog. Here's my dad. It's his birthday today, so I decided I would vlog for it.
I just want to say hello, everyone, and thank you, Mallory, for wishing me a happy birthday today. And I think it's a joyful time. It's so great to be able to spend it with family. You, your brother, and your mom are all here, and I'm enjoying the day. So thanks a lot. Bye, everybody.
Okay, so yeah, so we've been in the hotel for a little bit while now. We've just been like taking it in. It's so nice. Everything's like, I heard that it was like a new hotel, so it's like pretty fresh and clean. Everything's like white and stuff. It has like this really nice, I don't, what do you call it? Really nice, like, I don't know. The shower's nice. It has like some nice tile and stuff, and I just think it's a really nice hotel room. They also brought in some like little like macaroons, orange macaroons and oranges for my dad's birthday, and it was from the hotel, so that was really nice. We ate some of those. So I think our plans now is to just go out, find something to eat, walk around, and we got valet parking, so I think we're just gonna like walk around. I don't think we're gonna get the car yet, so yeah, that's our plans for today, or that's our plans for later. We're also gonna try to see the fireworks because we were told that we could see the fireworks at Disneyland from our hotel room, so we're gonna try to see that, and that's at 9, so we'll see what happens. Let's go.
Oh, I didn't see the scale.
Never had
A scale?
with a scale in it before. Underneath this thing.
Let's go see the scale. Oh my gosh, there is a scale. Oh wow.
Cutting board right
Marquise
here.
is gonna have the first
And then over to the
taste.
left, you can open this up, and this, I already have my jacket in here, but this is where you can hang some things. There's an extra robe in here, and there's plenty of room for you to put your suitcases in here too. 2 full suitcases.
Okay.
The naked eye is amazing.
Tastes like orange?
I can't wait to
Is it soda?
open this, because this is the
There's
perfect
a little fizz, but
for doing
it's not really
makeup.
soda.
I see myself.
I wonder if I
so
should
well
try it.
lit up, and if you want to turn it off.
So I don't drink soda, so I had to make sure it wasn't soda, but it says it's
So not
an
only do you
Italian
have
sparkling drink.
Because he said
all the way
it's brand.
across the headboard,
So I'm
you
gonna
have this
try
really
it.
cool reading light that
June 20
you
June 13th.
push this
Okay,
part
so just
out,
last month.
and then
Just tastes like orange juice,
just
but
like that.
with sparkle.
and then canning will
You-
here to the
you want-
right. You have your TV. So the other thing I like about this hotel is the TV. It's, first of all, a huge flat screen that is right in the wall. It's not taking up any space. It is slightly offset as well, so that is really cool.
Thank you,
And
Orange.
lighting that is all
It's like
underneath
orange juice, but it's like sparkling orange juice.
the TV, but it's also above the TV, and I think that's really cool.
All right, because
They
it
also have
it does have
Yeah.
a fizz.
chairs and another
Yeah.
light, and then the hotel phone is over here.
Okay. It's
And
organic also.
It's cordless, first of all, which
Okay.
I don't really think.
Okay, we will. Okay.
So yeah, we're on the lower level, so we gotta go up to the main level because this is where the
Where to step?
I just realized, you know. Okay.
What? I'm gonna try out their new Jenny's blunt.
But he did say he wasn't there, let him know, but I thought so.
Okay, y'all, we're about to eat. Yeah, it looks so good. I'm so hungry. Haven't ate like barely anything today. So
One picture.
yeah.
I'll move the table.
What we need to do is climb this wall, hook on the light, and get on top of the roof.
Okay, so we just finished eating and now we're trying to make it to the fireworks, but I don't think we can. We found the fireworks.
That's that buffet, I mean that restaurant with the DJ.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about it.
Light up the night sky.
Look.
Well, that was nice.
So beautiful.
The only thing I can see on this film is the Indians.
Well, that was 7 hours.
I know.
Man, I was such a
Oh, look at this.
If that times 3.
Okay, Dad got cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. They didn't have the one he wanted,
Essence.
but still got it. And then we got a red velvet one. Might share it all.
Yeah.
The
I just
cheesecake
came
and the
out
cake
the
was
three.
really good. But I'm like sick of eating it now. Mom stopped eating the red velvet cake and I had to eat it all by myself. But I couldn't even finish it. It's like too much icing. And then Dad's cake was like pretty good. It was
Yeah.
chocolate cake. Yeah, Marquise liked it too.
This is 2. Yeah, we took the elevator out and got off on the 2nd floor. Oh, it's getting warm when you come down here.
Is it okay with this, please? It's so embarrassing. It's so wet.
We're exploring, you guys. Oh, okay.
I don't know what the heck you want to do. I was okay. We all. Yeah, just thought right now. Yeah, you don't get you. You don't get your you don't get your butt. That's why you look at. That's like you going all the way over there at the wall.
They had robes, so like obviously I had to, you know, cop. Fit check. I think I'm about to go to sleep. Actually, I'm gonna be on my phone for a while. Then I'll go to sleep. Really good lighting. I have to charge my camera. It's about to die. Anyways, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day. We just woke up, got dressed. I have no idea what we're doing. Probably gonna find food for breakfast. Yeah, my camera is still about to die, but I have a little bit of life left, so I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone. Bye, hotel.